FOI, or freedom of information, is a fundamental right recognized by the United Nations, essential for ensuring government transparency and democratic accountability. It grants citizens and civil society the right to access government-held information while obligating public officials to disclose it. FOI plays a vital role in investigative journalism, helping to expose corruption, inform the public, and safeguard democracy. For these reasons, over the last decades, FOI laws have been increasingly adopted worldwide by governments. However, a persistent gap exists between the formal adoption of FOI laws and their actual implementation, with governments frequently failing to meet their legal obligations. In 2022, a team of researchers and transparency activists in Belgium launched a field experiment to assess the actual implementation of FOI laws across Belgian municipal governments. They enlisted 36 public policy and administration students from ULB University of Brussels to submit FOI requests to all 581 Belgian municipalities. The objective was to examine the extent to which Belgian municipal governments respond to FOI requests. In this study, FOI requests were submitted using 3 distinct profiles to evaluate municipal officers' discretion in responding. The research team and the 36 students submitted requests to all 581 Belgian municipalities, seeking the explanatory note of the agenda from the last municipal council meeting along with its annexes. The results show that approximately 36% of municipalities, regardless of the requester profile, did not respond. This suggests that a significant portion of municipalities are not compliant with existing FOI laws. Results also show that about 34% of municipalities provided an unsatisfactory or partial reply, suggesting that while many municipalities acknowledge FOI requests, they do not always provide the requested information in full. The results further indicate that larger municipalities tend to be more responsive and transparent than smaller ones. In addition, regional variations in municipalities' responsiveness to FOI requests were observed, possibly due to differences in the interpretation and enforcement of FOI laws across regions or varying levels of administrative effectiveness in implementing the law. Moreover, municipalities were less responsive to requests from individuals perceived as knowledgeable about transparency policies, such as a university professor or an advocacy organization, compared to common citizens. Such administrative reluctance to respond to FOI requests from the most knowledgeable individuals is problematic, as it can limit the ability of those best equipped to expose corruption, inform the public, and protect democracy. This experiment highlights that the formal adoption of FOI laws alone does not guarantee administrative responsiveness in practice. The effective implementation of existing FOI laws requires a stronger administrative culture of transparency and openness, especially in the current era of rising populism and misinformation.